still we haven't reached the destination. The journey is long, but you are fully determined. That I can see. Because each and every day, the speech, becomes sharper and sharper. Every day, everybody comes with different ideas and different thoughts and represent themselves over here. So, for that I would like to say that એવું કહી શકાય કે હવે અંગ્રેજી તો એક ભાષા છે, merely a language. અંગ્રેજી તો એક ભાષા છે, એને જીતવી બહુ સરળ છે. પણ કદાચ જિંદગીમાં પણ હવે તમારે જો એકલું આગળ વધવાનું થાય તો તમે જિંદગી જીતી જશો, મને એવું લાગે છે. અને એટલા માટે જ હું કહીશ કે અમને નાખો જિંદગીની આગમાં, અમે આગને પણ ફેરવીશું બાગમાં, સર કરીશું સૌ મોરચા, અરે મોતને પણ આવવા દ્યો લાગમાં. હવે તમે એવા તૈયાર થઈ ગયા. So there is no need of fear or there is no need of any kind of preparation. Without preparation you are all rocking now. So with this confidence, burning desire, just fulfill your dreams, your parents' dreams. Come over here, stand here and just enjoy the speech. Let's invite for the first speech. I would like to invite Hital.
Good evening to all my dear friends, respected sir. How are you all, sir? Fine. So from yesterday we are enjoying memorable days trip. Means memorable trip, correct? With different persons like Rutwa, Ishit, full of eating, nothing else done. With Harris, good. So I would like to start my speech. Actually, I haven't done any trip till now.
Oh my goodness.
Yes, I haven't went with my whole family. Even means we are type of family, we don't like to have trip or everything, because our business is like that. We can't go on trip even in the vacations. So I would like to share my memorable days like summer vacations, where we enjoy a lot. Even we can't enjoy that much in the trip. So when my summer vacations days are started, few days after going few days, I think 5 to 10 days, my all Bua come. I have 3 Buas, so all Bua come at my home, and we have lot of fun with having different kinds of gossiping, having different kinds of food, as we are foodie persons, especially we are Sindhis. So,
Right.
So this are we just go for some time in the evening, not like for 2 to 3 days trip or like that. We just go and have fun in the evening. So in the Rajkot only, we even not go out of Rajkot. So when my Bua comes in the vacations, we enjoy a lot. I remember one vacation, I think so it's 4 or 5 years, no, 6-7 years ago vacation. My vacation was started. My all 3 Bua has came after 10 days. I remember even the days, because that vacation and the whole, in my whole life till now I have enjoyed the vacation, was such an awesome vacation. So that 10 days went, and on every day after my summer vacation start, on every day I just call to my three of buas and ask that when are you coming? When are you coming? When are you? A single sentence I just ask to them. So they tell, first of all they start teasing me that we are not going to come in this vacation because you are not behaving, means not listening our things and doing musty with everyone and like this. So I just told that we are just children, and if we will not do musty, then who will do?
Correct.
So
That's right.
so that's just a part of joke. So last 3 days were remaining. In one day, I call them for 5 times.
Oh my God.
Because that is the time when we enjoy a lot in my every year. So every day, last 3 days, every day I call them for 5 times. Before sleeping, after waking up, at the time of breakfast, at the time of lunch, and the time of dinner. So this is how they means that 10 days were passed. That 10 days I have feel like that the whole year has passed away, and we are just waiting for them. So so when they came, actually they told me that we are going to come after some days because right now we have work. And the one day in the morning they just arrived at home and I was sleeping. So they just came and woke me up, wake me up. So I was just shocked that you were telling that you are going to come after some days and you have came. So they told, let we go. I don't know, I'm just asking that you have arrived now only. So like this my vacation, summer vacation, my memorable day started. So they came and we just have fun for some days. Then again one day in the morning, so I told them, let's go somewhere for outing or have some small picnic, one day picnic. So we just decide about that, and on second day we had gone to Khodalam, Veerpur and around the places. So when we went to Khodalam, the temple was built, I think it was not whole built it, but it was just building up. So we had a great darshan over there. I just forgot to tell about how we go and have fun even in the car. So we just have our own car, so we go by that. So in one car there were 7 persons. So in my car we were just having our bacha parties. So bacha party, in which car the bacha party is there, the most fun will be there only. So we hold the bacha party, have just fun, like we were playing Antakshari, we were playing Ludo, snakes and ladders and like that all games. So when we just starting playing Antakshari, our volume was that much high that our second car was also having fun with that. As we were going side to side, our cars were going parallel. So our second car was also having fun in listening of just our voice, because our volume was that much high that we were singing the songs and all. So when we reached there, I just came out of car, we all just, then we entered, we have submitted, we have given our shoes to the shoe racker and everything. After that, I have wearing, as you can see, I have a body. So at that time, my body was not this much, but I was heavy. means I was fat, not that much, but at that time I have wearing jeans and a top and have a cap on my head. So the whole the as मतलब can I say one line in Hindi?
Correct?
So
Yes.
so मैं जब इतनी मोटी तो नहीं थी, पर मेरा बॉडी इतना था, जैसे कि मैंने कपड़े पहने थे ना, और मैं इतनी गोरी तब थी कि सब लोग मुझे ही देख रहे थे और बोल रहे थे कि ये फॉरेनर कहाँ से आ गई।
That was thrilling experience after listening.
Correct, but I was just shocking after listening this. So, and all the people, as my body was there, so all were looking at me only. So this is the very scared, I can't, I have no word for that. So,
Panic? Scared? What?
no, I was not panicked, I was just shocked.
Okay.
I was just shocked that why all are seeing to me. Is there any defect in my dress or anything else that all are seeing to me? So then we entered a temple and have a great darshan over there of Kodalma, and we enjoyed a lot. After coming out of temple, having a great darshan, we were just click photos and everything. We were playing even there. We were playing Kho-Kho, Kabaddi and everything. We enjoyed even there also so much. After that, we took leave from there and went to Virpur to have a great darshan of Jalaram Bapa. So after having a darshan of Jalaram Bapa, we have took prasad over there and just have some for shopping for 10 to 15 minutes in the area where you have anyone arrived, so they know there is small shops and getting so many things from there. So we all kids were having so fun and eaten ice cream over there. And even I know one that incident that I have bought a chocolate ice cream and my big brother have bought chocolate ice cream. Other all have brought a vanilla. So when we were having chocolate ice cream, no, so all brother and sister were seeing like this. इन लोगों को तो बड़ी वाली और अच्छी वाली ले दी, हम लोगों को क्यों इतनी ले दी? So all they were asking to our elders and so like this. So after taking leave from there, we went to home. After having fun and going to home, so this was our small one picnic of one day. After coming at home, as I told that we are foodie, so every day in my summer vacation, there is not a single day that we haven't tried a new dish.
Oh, wow, great.
So this is.
It means that it doesn't matter whether it is lockdown or not. You are enjoying.
Yes, I am enjoying very much at my home. Even
No need of lockdown.
No, there is no need. Only summer vacation is enjoyed enough. Sorry, summer vacation is enough that how much we have enjoyed in lockdown.
Oh, wow, great.
So this is how. And in the morning we have breakfast. In the lunch we have lunch with a new sweet every day. So actually this is my body. So you all can know that how much I am a foodie person. So in the evening we have some different type of snacks and everything. And at night we have dinner with one more sweet.
Wow.
So we are not feeling like that we haven't gone in restaurants or hotels and like this, or not gone to big trips or everything. We are enjoying that much in our summer vacation that we did not need a holiday means a trip or anything else in our whole year. So and even at night we have a dessert which is made by my uncle.
Wow.
Because my uncle is the best cook, as as a dessert. Means for a dessert, my uncle is the best cook. Even I have not eaten a single shake or milkshake we just sell outside till now in my life.
Right.
Or haven't went to have dinner, or haven't have gone to have pizzas.
Okay.
In my life, I haven't gone for having pizza in outside shop. Everything we just make at home only. So,
Wow.
so this how my
That's why you converted yourself into burger.
actually my pet name is Burger in my phone.
What a coincidence. Actually, nobody discussed with you. Suddenly, all of you know, just it came through just by heart. I uttered this word.
No, my friends are telling me Burger in the college
Oh my
since last
my
year.
God.
So,
But you are so innocent and frank, that's why everybody loves you, likes you, and they enjoy with you. Just making masti is a different thing, but when everybody is making masti without it, see, sometimes it can be possible that somebody will feel bad or, you know, so the relation will not last continuously.
no, but I am not a person like that because if it's my body, it's my life, it's
Yes,
my,
yes.
it's my.
It's my life.
And it's not like that I haven't tried to lose it. I have also tried to lose it, but because of some, and even I don't have a single type of disease that because of what I'm not getting loose. But it's, can you tell? Heredity and one type of certainness that I have.
Correct.
So I don't feel bad of anybody. I'll just, if someone is teasing me, I'll just ignore it. It's my life, I'll do whatever I like.
Excellent.
So,
Appreciate it.
thank you. So this is how I just passed my whole summer vacation. And one small incident, I have just told you in my first speech that I have gone with my grandpa when I was just of 11 months. So in that time, I have me and my grandpa, we both were only there in the going by train, even though. So someone was eating ice cream, vanilla cup. someone was eating vanilla cup in opposite to us. So I have just done. આપણે કહીએ ને જીદ કરી એક ખાલી
Okay, you did obstinacy.
obstinacy. I have just obstinacy for one spoon.
Okay.
That was of plastic. In whole train, my grandpa just went because I was just of 11 months and no one was with us. So he can't leave me alone and go for finding that. Then he told me that wait for some time. If platform will come, I'll just buy for you. No, but I wasn't listening to my grandpa. I was just missing and everything. So then that uncle, that opposite who was eating, he is given to spoon after washing it properly. He is given to spoon to us. Then also I told no that I don't want that. I want new only because I was just of 11 months and I don't have that much idea about what's the going on. So that even that incident I remember because that was so touched to my heart that I was just having great fun even there. So every summer vacation of mine goes like this only. Even this summer vacation will also hopefully will also go like this. So thank you for listening me.
Super. Stupendous, marvelous speech. Every day you are just, making me surprised with your new ideas, new thoughts, converting and translating, and before the audience you are doing like that. I cannot imagine. Yeah. You have got a good command over English language. I am really satisfied. Whatever I taught, and you are just utilizing, you are properly uttering all the words, pronunciations, amazing. And for that I would like to say one shairi, and you will have to speak with me definitely. શાયરી આપણે એવી રીતે સરસ રીતે રજૂ કરવી છે. આ શાયરી તમને બધાને ડેડિકેટ કરું છું, કારણ કે એક સફળતાની ચરમસીમા હોય છે, અને એ સફળતા પર પહોંચ્યા પછી એ સફળતાની સ્થિરતા જાળવવી ને એ બહુ કઠિન છે. અને એ સ્થિરતા હવે આ તમે એક સફળતાએ પહોંચ્યા છો, સરસ રીતે અંગ્રેજી શીખ્યા છો, સારું બોલતા થયા છો, હવે એ સફળતાને આપણે ચરમસીમાએ પહોંચ્યા પછી જાળવી રાખવાની છે, અને એની માટેની આ શાયરી છે. હું જે એક્શન કરીશ એ એક્શન સાથે હું એક વાક્ય બોલીશ, એક લાઈન બોલીશ હિન્દીમાં, અને એ લાઈન એ એક્શન સેમ સાથે તમારે રજૂ કરવાની છે. વળી પાછું હું એક લાઈન બોલીશ, તમારે એક લાઈન બોલવાની છે, બરાબર? એના થોડા જે શબ્દો છે હું થોડા તમને વર્ણન કરી દઉં. નજર એટલે આંખો, એ તમને ખ્યાલ છે. નજર એટલે આંખો, એ તમને ખ્યાલ છે. નફસ એટલે શ્વાસ, નફસ આ બધા ઉર્દુ વર્ડ હોય છે. નફસ એટલે શ્વાસ, શ્વાસ જેને હિન્દીમાં આપણે કહીએ, સાસે ભૂલ ગઈ છે, તો નફસ એટલે શ્વાસ. હવે આપણે લાઈનની શરૂઆત કરીએ છીએ. પહેલા હું બોલીશ, એક લાઈન તમારે બોલવાની છે. આજે આપણે બધા સમૂહમાં શાયરી બોલીએ છીએ. नजर नजर में उतरना कमाल होता है, नफस 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 में बिखरना कमाल होता है, बुलंदियों पर पहुंचना कोई बात नहीं, बुलंदियों पर ठहरना कमाल होता है, बुलंदियों पर ठहरना कमाल